Okay, hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about Scratch. But before that, let's understand what Scratch is. Now, Scratch is a visual programming language that you can use to create games, animation, name it, stories. You can create stories with Scratch. So that's basically all Scratch is about. Now, I want you to understand a particular word visual. It's a visual programming language. Now we have different kind of programming language. We have Python, we have Java, we have Ruby, we have JavaScript, different types of programming language. But if you are going to work with this programming language, you would have to write it out, like you have to write it out in words. But in this case, programmers thought of a way to make it learning easier for students and decided that okay, would make things easier by creating this code, putting it in a visual form for the students to understand. So that's basically what Scratch is about. They created the code. There's a particular code working with this. If you don't understand this for now, just hold on, you understand it as time goes on. So before we dive in on how to install Scratch, the first thing we'll do is we'll try to learn the environment of Scratch. Now this particular place you are seeing, I can just call it place, is called the block palette. Now in this place we have different blocks of code. That's where all the blocks are, you understand. And here we have the extension. If you want to add maybe a block, that block of code, once I click pen, you can add it. Add music. You want to work with music, you can add it. So that's basically what this is called. And this is called the script area. This is where the script is. And this place is called the stage. The stage. That's where we view what we are actually doing. This is where it actually works. So this is called the sprite list, where the sprites are. So imagine, and the sprite is basically the characters you add to maybe you want to add a character to, okay, let's take for example, you add an apple, program the character maybe to be bouncing around. Don't be doing that for now. This is just an introduction. So this is called the backdrop. The backdrop is basically the background of your stage. So let's say put a background like this. So that's basically about that. And this place is called the menu bar. So here you can save. If you want to load from your computer, let's say you have a particular file on Scratch that you've already saved on your computer, you can load it from here. And once you are through, you can simply save your sprite through clicking the save to your computer. And what other thing? The new is you want to create a new Scratch file. You can easily do that with that. Edit, you restore a sprite, turn on super mode. So there are different things that would explore. This is sound, part of the menu bar. You want to create a sound, you want to change costumes, you want to know the costume a particular sprite has, like this particular cat, it has two costumes. So once you click costume, you see the second costume, that's the costume. And you can also add sounds. So that's basically all about that. We'll learn more as we progress. So thank you very much.
Please don't forget to click on subscribe button and click the notification bell to get more of this. Thank you.